I was looking for a new insurance company for the house. Basically, they said no one would help me because the roof was over 30 years old. So, of course, I got a little frightened because they went on to say that I could even be canceled. Out of curiosity, I did a search. I went online, and there's several different places that you can get roofing companies. And there were like 3 or 4 that came up in my area, and I put a check on 3. The only one who bothered was your company. And Kyle Bridges, I believe his last name, he called me almost immediately. Set up an appointment, I think, for probably almost the next day. Really nice guy, very personable, very professional. He got on the roof, came back down and said, well, guess what? You have wind damage. You're not going to have to pay for this. I'm like, whoa, okay, cool. I had to pay the deductible, which was fine. He set everything up. He got in touch with the insurance company, but Kyle kept in touch with me, kept in touch with them. Everything came down to signing a contract, which I did. I was nervous because it was going to be done in the winter. The first day they were supposed to come, it was so bad. I said, I don't think anybody should be on the roof. It's all ice. So they canceled that day. They waited till the next week. Again, it was really cold and I was very nervous, I admit, but I couldn't believe it. They came and they did it in one day. They were so professional. They had the workers up there. Nothing was left. Everything was taken away. Oh, and I must mention they got in touch with a solar company because they had to take the panels down. The company came back maybe 3 or 4 days later, put them back up. So everything went very smoothly. All my loss of sleep was unnecessary. Everyone from day one was wonderful, very professional. I really highly recommend Artisan for anyone who's looking for new roofing because they are totally professional. They will help you with everything that you have to deal with, from the insurance all the way down to the final touches. Great people. So that's all I can say.